Starting around 09 October 2023, Nexo in a real sense is exchanging at 54 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in most recent 60 minutes, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo generally has a sort of all-out market cap of $302,891,433, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,132,245 in a by and large huge manner. This in a real sense makes Nexo, for the most part positioning at 96 in the digital money market amazingly. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023 amazingly? Is Nexo a wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023, which by and large is genuinely huge? Will Nexo cost truly outperform its unequaled high, or so they really thought? These fundamentally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo, value expectation 2023, as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Nexo cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of 76 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to in a real sense be 72 cents. So Nexo, value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to sort of cross an exceptionally normal value level of 76 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to especially be 72 cents, which truly is very critical. Besides, Nexo can sort of arrive at a very most extreme value level of 81 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo generally is determined to generally be at around a sort of least worth of 61 cents, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a really limit of 69 cents, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, which basically shows that will Nexo cost essentially outperform its record-breaking high, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo for the most part is supposed to by and large be at around an extremely least of 66 cents, in a fundamentally significant manner. Nexo cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters, limit of 72 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars, showing how on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo sort of be especially worth in 2023, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, which is genuinely huge. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around 71 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is generally anticipated to in a real sense arrive at in every practical sense, normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 78 cents and a by and large least of 72 cents. Especially further appearance how starting around 09 October 2023 Nexo for the most part is exchanging at 54 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. Nexo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of Nexo especially is supposed to for the most part be at around at least 72 cents, which especially shows that Nexo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo really is supposed to by and large be at around a truly least of 72 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo cost can explicitly arrive at a for the most part limit of 81 cents, with the typical cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, which in every practical sense shows that will Nexo cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Nexo truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been by and large diminished by 1.12% in its especially current worth, so Nexo cost can by and large arrive at a genuinely limit of 81 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, which for the most part shows that will Nexo cost basically outperform its record-breaking high. Which truly is genuinely huge. Assuming we in every practical sense think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap especially is likewise down, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo fundamentally is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins, or so they essentially thought. The Nexo fundamentally is down to nearly 4.54% in the very most recent 7 days in a truly significant manner. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for essentially past genuinely couple of days. The coin could sort of have kind of solid essentials in any case. We don't fundamentally feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo sort of diminished by 24.815%, dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of 18 cents from its in every practical sense current worth, or so they essentially thought. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent basically purchase an open door for especially speedy interest in a genuinely large manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 35.76%. And the cost basically coursed from a truly least lovely typical cost of 79 cents to genuinely most extreme certainly normal cost of 86 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days in a fundamentally enormous manner. Nexo is somewhere near 26.91% with the very greatest extremely normal cost of the coin generally was around 67 cents and the essentially least genuinely normal cost of in a real sense was around 65 cents in sort of beyond 4 months, showing how Nexo value expectation October 2023, the cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents. Or so they most certainly thought. Nexo Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will truly be Nexo genuinely worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The Nexo value sort of is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of 81 cents with pretty least cost of 72 cents toward the finish of 2023, which by and large is very critical. Does Nexo for the most part have a future, which certainly is very huge? As far as value, Nexo explicitly has an exceptional really potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels, showing how these in every way that really matters are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which generally is very critical. It generally is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem, which basically is very huge. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Nexo can especially raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost